ஹலோ ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ், பெட் செமினார் நேயர்கள் எல்லாத்துக்கும் வணக்கம். இப்போ நான் உங்களுக்கு ஒரு ஹாப்பியான நியூஸ் சொல்ல போகிறேன், வாங்க பார்ப்போம். வர அக்டோபரோட நம்ம சேனல் ஸ்டார்ட் பண்ணி 1 இயர் ஆயிடுச்சு. இந்த 1 இயராக நீங்கள் எங்களுக்கு அளித்த ஆதரவுக்கு ரொம்ப நன்றி. இந்த 1 இயரை செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுறதுமா நம்ம ஒரு வீடியோ காம்படிஷன் கண்டக்ட் பண்ணலான்னு இருக்கோம். அது என்னென்னா, உங்கள் வீடியோ நம்ம சேனலில் ஃபஸ்ட் டைமாக டெலிகாஸ்ட் ஆக போகுது. அது என்ன காம்படிஷன், அதில் நீங்கள் எப்படி பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுறது எல்லாத்தையுமே இந்த வீடியோக்குள்ளே பார்ப்போம். காம்படிஷனை பற்றின முழு தகவலாக இந்த வீடியோவில் பார்த்துருப்பீங்க நம்புகிறோம். நம்மளோட ஃபஸ்ட் இயர் ஆனிவர்சரியை உங்களோட சேர்ந்து செலிப்ரேட் பண்ணுறதுல எங்களுக்கு ரொம்பவே சந்தோஷம். ஸோ மறக்காமல் எல்லோரும் பார்ட்டிசிபேட் பண்ணுங்கள். திரும்பவும் சொல்கிறேன், உங்கள் வீடியோ நம்ம சேனலில் ஒளிபரப்பாகிறதுக்கான ஒரு அரிய வாய்ப்பு, தவற விட்டுறாதீங்க.
Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will see about one interesting topic. That is, it's been a long day. We are allowed to buy the budgies, but we didn't know about the quality of birds. We think like go to the pet shop and buy the lovebirds that are beautiful in color and very attractive, but didn't know their health and quality. We also bought the attractive cage and other supplement for the living and fixed the cage in one place in our home. We didn't know about the budgie's gender and the other details. We only give millet food for it. Due to this, our budgies can't maintain its health properly. So there is chance for death also. We didn't know anything about budgies. Only this is the main problem for it. So in this video, we will see about how to buy healthy budgies and how to find out their gender detail. Tip number 1. When should we buy a budgies any place like a pet shop or breeder? Our opinion is to buy the birds from one good breeder. The reason is, inside one cage there are so many birds are formed. So the problem is 10 birds come from one place and others from various places. At the situation, some birds are sit quietly at the corner of the cage. That bird may be affected by any diseases. So it will easily spread to other bird also. This is the main problem. The second reason is age different bird. The third reason is same gender birds. So buy a birds from breeder only, because they will know the quality and the health of the birds, everything. And other advantage is, if you have any doubt of it, you will immediately call them. Surely they will help you. Tip 2 is selection of bird. Selection of bird is identification of male and female. Male has identify of top of upper nose. Share color is dark blue. Female has white. This is some tips to find out male and female. Then identification of age. Finding the age of your budgies is very easy. 3 to 4 month birds have full marking at the top of the nose, and above 4 month old budgies is called semi-adult. So buy only semi-adult pair. Surely it is good for breeding. Another method of finding lovebirds' age through their eyes. 1 to 4 months, the eyes of birds was black. 4 to 6 months, the eye lens are covered with white ring, that is called iris. 6 to 8 months, their eyes covered with thick white ring layer. There are 3 ways to find the age of our budgies easily. So you should buy only semi-adult stage birds. Tip number 3, color series. There are only 2 types of color series in budgies. It is blue and green. White color is come under the blue series and yellow color is comes under green series. So best choice is broad opposite color series of birds. Tip number 4, cage selection. There are 2 types of cage. One is mesh cage and another one is China cage. Our opinion is to buy only mesh cage because it will very safe and very easy to clean it. Finally, please place the cage at one fixed place, that is without any sunlight and water spraying in the rain time. It will help for quick breeding. At night time, please cover the cage with one good cloth. Okay friends, in this video we see about some major tips for budgies beginner. So guys, I think you all like this video. If you have any doubts and ideas related to that, please comment us. Finally, please like, share and subscribe our YouTube channel. Thank you.